Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 common expressions with leg in English. Number 1. Leg up. It means to help someone get an advantage. Example, her internship gave her a leg up in the job market. Number 2. On one's last legs. It means very tired, weak, or near failure. Example, after the long trip, I was on my last legs. Number 3. Not have a leg to stand on. It means to have no valid support for your argument. Example, he had no evidence, so he didn't have a leg to stand on. Number 4. Stretch your legs. It means to stand up, walk around, or move after sitting for a while. Example, after the long drive, we stopped to stretch our legs. Number 5. Leg it. It means to run away quickly or leave in a hurry. Example, when the storm started, we legged it home. Number 6. Shake a leg. It means to hurry up. Example, shake a leg or we'll miss the bus. Number 7. Pull someone's leg. It means to joke with someone or trick them playfully. Example, for a moment I thought he was serious, but he was just pulling my leg. Number 8. Cost an arm and a leg. It means to be very expensive. Example, that phone cost an arm and a leg. Number 9. Stand on one's own 2 legs. It means to be independent. Example, the company is finally standing on its own 2 legs. Number 10. Break a leg. It means a way to wish someone good luck. Example, break a leg before your performance. Great job, everyone. Now you know 10 useful expressions with leg. Don't forget to practice them in your own sentences. See you in the next lesson, and until then, keep learning and keep smiling.